Introduction. Social policy is an aspect of the public policy framework within a given country context. Public policy covers a range of social, legal, political, economic, and cultural policies that affect the way people experience their social environment and also provides a framework of governance for a particular nation state. Social policy is defined here are those public policies that address the social, including the socio-political, socio-cultural, and socio-economic conditions of a country's citizens. In Canada, the primary focus of legislation aimed at addressing the social condition of Canadians has tended to focus on issues of minority status, income inequality, labor market attachment, housing, holding, child care and sport, immigration and healthcare. Throughout Canadian history, the social policy framework has been composed of efforts to address the socio-political rights to marginalized segments of the populations, along with addressing the negative conditions in which people live through the creation of national and provincial programs of social support, such as community programs of support directed towards new immigrants or disabled people and economic support or disabled people and economic support such as unemployment insurance or family allowance payment. The following provides a historical overview of the development of Canadian social policy through four eras of social welfare development. These include the residual period, the emerging institutional period, the institutional period, the present post-institutional period. In each era, key policies are described prior to this discussion. The first section outlines the Canadian context. A brief description is provided of the key cultural, social, and economic factors for which social policies have emerged in Canada. The system of governance in Canada and a discussion of the ideological framework that social policy system stems from in Canada. The social policy framework in Canada is largely a condition of this unique context, culture, social and economic context. There are several unique cultural and social factors within a Canadian society that contribute to the focus of social policy. For instance, from a socio-historical standpoint, the geopolitical interiority of the Canadian nation state was initially only inhabited by Aboriginal and First Nations people but was subject to European colonization with both British and French settlers migrating to Canada. This socio-historical context essentially created a long-lasting cultural division within Canada that have required substantial public policy intervention to deal with the social issues and of equality and social exclusion that between Aboriginal people and migrants and between French and English language speakers. Early public policies directed towards the Aboriginal population favored assimilation and loss of First Nation cultural identity. Please like, share and subscribe the channel हसन टेक्निकल को लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें और इसी तरह की मज़ीद और अच्छी टेक्निकल वीडियो देखने के लिए, इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। चैनल का नाम है सन टेक्निकल।